If you want to remove a SIM card or SIM cards from your OnePlus 15, what you need to do is, of course, we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray. We also need to use an eject tool that you can find, for example, inside the box of OnePlus 15, and we need to put it inside this hole over here. So let's do this. Let's put it back in. There we go. And we're gonna use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. Once it pops out slightly, we should be able to remove it with our fingers or fingernails. There we go. Now, if you have two SIM cards inserted into the SIM tray, then it is a little bit of, well, we need to perform a little trick to remove these SIM cards. And what we can do is we can slightly bend. We, of course, don't want to use too much force, just a tiny bit of force in order to bend the SIM tray. And then one of the SIM cards should slightly pop out. And there we go. And of course, if you have just one SIM card, it might be actually slightly easier. Just try to push it from the bottom. Or you can, if it doesn't work, then you can try to just bend it as well. And once it pops out, you should be able to easily remove it. And that is pretty much it. Of course, once you remove your SIM cards, remember to put the SIM tray back into the phone. So just slide it in with your finger. There we go. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.